Alright, so this is going to be a really quick video because it's a super simple process. It's just something that I wish had dawned on me earlier, and I figured I would share it so that you don't go through the same process of trying to figure out what to do when the solution is staring at your face like me. See, I need a template for a humbucker route for a pickguard, and I don't want to spend the money, waste the time, end up getting an acrylic template in that's the wrong size, anything like that, especially if I got materials on hand, but I didn't feel like I had materials on hand. But I have this pickguard over here that I'm not using. It's a Strat style pickguard with a humbucker in the bridge position and a single coil in the neck position, and we're going to make a template out of that to work from. So first we're just going to take this piece of MDF, we're going to cut it down to about here. Does not need to be even. We're going to tape this to this with some carpet tape. We're going to drill holes bigger than our router bit. Jesse, it's time to cook. We're going to drill our screw placement holes. And then we're going to wonder why the hell we tried to freehand the pickup routing on the last pickguard when we had this template the whole time.